Good morning. I'm in an airport lounge again. If you can believe it, we are off on another Disney adventure. I was not planning to do another one to Orlando this year. Yes, we're going to Orlando. I didn't plan for this. And then two events are occurring on the same weekend, and it was fate. I will explain more when we get there. Currently, I'm in Gatwick. I'm in South Terminal. Normally, I would use Heathrow out of London. Today, we're using Gatwick. The main terminal is absolutely nuts. Nuts. It is like peak summer out there. But I'm in the lounge. Thanks to my silver status, I was able to use priority check-in, priority security. But even with that, it took a little while. So I'm not complaining, and my heart goes out to anyone using regular lines. It's awful. It's about 10:15. Takeoff is at 11. I've had one of the bacon rolls here in the lounge, and we'll be getting on board soon, and I will be able to explain exactly what on earth is going on. There's a big surprise involved, trust me. All right, I will talk to you very soon. So let's give you a little show around of British Airways Lounge, Gatwick South Terminal, as I explain what on earth is going on, because I really wasn't going back to Orlando this year. Firstly, on the Saturday, a Patreon meetup was happening for one of my favourite creators, Michael Kay. And I couldn't wait to go and meet everybody. But what really swung it for me is on the Sunday, it was my best friend's birthday, who is actually a local to the area. I hadn't had a chance to see her in April, and I thought what an amazing surprise it would be. So you will see that coming in the next few days. You'll notice I'm flying business class again, and if you're thinking, how does she do it? Let me tell you, I grabbed these upgrades within a week before I fly. This business upgrade I actually got for £300. That's how I do it, and I've been accumulating tier points with British Airways for the last 2 years, meaning I've got to silver status just by grabbing these insanely cheap upgrades. So never take the first offer of a price. It's a glorious way to fly, and while I can still grab them, I will. In the meantime, let's get to Orlando. We're at Orlando International. I can feel the humidity already. I'm sorry I didn't film much on that flight. I slept a bunch for a daytime flight. So I can talk to you right now. We're going to have to put this away because security is strict. There is absolutely no filming whatsoever when I get around the corner. So I will check in with you in a little bit.
So it was like a bad, terrible food, but the cough, not like I'm coughing. I can't.
First ride of the trip is always the monorail, the tram, going from the gate
That's how much pain
to the main terminal.
When I got cough, I felt like
We've done that very fast. That's the shortest wait I've ever had at security. So,
after 2 days I was
almost there. It's 4:15. We landed at 3:20. We're already in the car. I've got a Ford SUV for the week. Sorry, I'm blowing cold air because, oh my God. I've done a skip the line with Alamo car rental. I love using Alamo. I love skipping the line. I just come straight to the garage, and we are going to pick up our GPS, our sat nav at the exit. So off to the Dolphin. Yeah, I didn't tell you, we're staying at the Dolphin this time, the Swan and Dolphin at the back of Epcot. Kind of between Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Let's go! So we made it, we're in our room at the Dolphin. Now the Swan Dolphin aren't owned by Disney, but they are right in the middle of Disney. I don't know if I said that already. And the rate to stay here was so much better. Full disclosure, I'm a travel agent. So I prowled our system and I got the best rate, which I can do for you too. Anyway, that's not the point. I'm gonna show you this room. It's lovely. It's big. I'm happy. Okay, so starting from the door as always, we have hanging space here and then a coffee station, Starbucks coffee right there, and water. Hello. If I turn around, oh, we've got just storage down here. If I turn it around, bathroom here, hairdryer, plenty of fluffy towels. Really nice lit mirror here. Oh, slightly yellow, I guess, but it's okay. We've got more glasses. Up here we've got body lotion, shampoo and conditioner. No body wash, but there is bars. So that's okay. Kind of a basic shower, but it works. What do we need to worry about? And a couple of little corner things coming into the main area. Connecting door if you had a room there. Nice big TV. The lamp has USB and plug there. Some tissues, thank you. And then we've got two big beds here. They look super comfy, I have to say. Thermostat on the wall there. Phone and clock radio. Let's check out what have we got here for charging. One USB down there, two regular plugs. I'd love to see more USBs. Oh, there is one on top of that clock radio, so that's good. This is me where I have unpacked on the table, nice desk there. But this is my view. And I am in the west wing of the Dolphin. And if you look over there, we can see the boardwalk. Very nice. It's currently 5:30. I actually am doing something I wouldn't normally do on a first night, and that is I'm going to the cinema tonight, the movies. The reason being is the new Jurassic World Dominion is coming out today. So I managed to snag a ticket at Disney Springs at the AMC. But it gives us a chance to do something that I've always kind of wanted to try, which is the dine-in, where you literally order from your seat. So they bring you food while you're in the movie. But I couldn't have gone to bed without watching this movie. I have been waiting a long time. So that's my geekdom. I'm going to have a shower, I'm going to unpack, and then we're going to head to Disney Springs. I'm all showered. I'm going to find the bus stops here now. But this lobby in the Dolphin is stunning. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It's also really big, really big. All the time. So as I said, the Swan Dolphin is not Disney owned. That means that its bus stops for Disney Springs are actually beyond Cirque du Soleil. So they are nowhere near the main bus loop. It's actually, this is great for me because the AMC, the cinema, is down this end of Disney Springs. So that works out quite nicely. But if I was trying to go to World Disney or Rainforest Cafe or something like that, you would have quite a trek. So that is interesting. About 45 minutes till our movie, which gives us just enough time, I think, to try Salt and Straw. This is a brand new ice cream place, opened at Disney Springs, with some really weird flavours. We would have tried it, except the line, this is the outdoor line, and there's a line inside as well. I don't know if we've got time. Let's see. So, from Salt and Straw, we have the brie and fig cheesecake. Just tasted this in there, the brie and fig. So good. The other one I tasted, it was salty donut, guava, and cheese. Yes, these are ice creams. Let me tell you, it was really good. So I've just gone for a tiny scoop. I've gone for a kid's size scoop because I'm about to go in the theatre and I know I want to get nachos or something. But I was surprised how tasty it is, and it's still sweet. So this is going to be good. Just a quick stop into Marvel headquarters. They've got some gorgeous Pride merch right now. I'm loving this theme. Although the stuff I'm really after is over at Epcot. You'll see it coming. The other thing I wanted to show you is these food trucks that I've been dying to try for ages. I'll let me tell you a little bit more about it. This little area here is known as Exposition Park. There are currently 3 food trucks. I'm sure in the past they've had up to 4. The Four Rivers, the cantina, that one is definitely high on my list to try. We're not going to have time tonight, but maybe we can come back because I've seen pictures of a taco cone and that has my name all over it. But, well, it's a typical evening in Disney Springs. Busy, lots of people milling about. Obviously, I'm not going to record the movie, we're watching Jurassic World, but I just wanted to show you this dine-in setup, and this is why I love coming to the movies in the States, because the UK needs to up their game. Table. Impressive. Lounge. Enjoy our with footrest. Big cup holder. And yeah. There you go. So friends, I know it's dark. I just sat through 2.5 hours of what is Jurassic World Dominion, I think we're calling it. 2.5 hours, 90 minutes to get to what you really want to see. I'm a little bit disappointed, but I can't tell you why. Anyway, it's coming up to 11 o'clock. It's about 10 to 11, and we are going to head back down to the bus. I'm going to call it a night from here. Tomorrow, our first full day here. We're going to be meeting up with some friends, but we're going to start our day at Hollywood Studios in the morning. I didn't come to Hollywood Studios at all in April, so it's been a little while. Going to try some food. Going to, well, I'm going to try out some strategies tomorrow. We'll see. For now, good night from Disney Springs, and I'll see you in the morning.